In 2017, Elon Musk's company made a splash during the presentation of the Tesla semi-electric truck, unexpectedly showing the concept of the second series of the famous Roadster model. With an acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds, a claimed range of 620 miles, and a special SpaceX package that will allow the car to hover above the surface, this semi-electric truck was a showstopper. However, the electric car was not ready for the initial release date, and in January of this year, Musk stated that the release of the updated version was postponed until 2022. You are on the Innovative Techs channel, and we'll tell you why Elon Musk's company still does not make the Tesla Roadster 2. The rise of Tesla, which became the most expensive car manufacturer in the world in 2020, did not leave indifferent any car enthusiast or a fan of high technology. Over the past 5 years, the Musk-led company has increased production volumes numerous times and began to produce 500,000 cars a year. In addition, the manufacturer of electric cars launched the production of 2 popular models, the Model 3 and Model Y. To achieve the above goals, Elon Musk, like many other employees of the company, literally had to spend the night at the factory. Simultaneously, Tesla worked on the creation of a futuristic Cybertruck, its own onboard computer chip, and battery upgrades. The last point occupies a special place in the list of the company's primary tasks, since it should bring the manufacturer to a radically new level of technical excellence, 54% more range, and colossal reduction in battery cost by automating most of the work. Many of these tasks have caused serious difficulties for the company. For instance, the scaling production of Model 3 almost led to the bankruptcy of Tesla, as Elon Musk himself later spoke about. Logistic hell is how the billionaire described the situation at the company's factories in 2017. There were many problems, and they all demanded an immediate solution, which regularly made adjustments to the plans of the American brand. Despite this, Tesla steadily moved forward and regularly surprised the world with new developments. Sure thing, Elon Musk's company was not spared by the COVID-19 epidemic. At first, the pandemic quarantined only the Gigafactory 3 built in China, and then interrupted the work of Tesla's American factories. And although the manufacturer managed to get out of the situation with minimal losses in comparison with other auto companies, the temporary closure of factories has shifted the time frame of many projects. Against this background, the news about the Tesla Roadster 2 practically disappeared from the information space. In 2020, Musk only occasionally mentioned a charged supercar of the new generation, although by that time, sales should have already started. Tesla fans collected information bit by bit, and many experts believed that it was the epidemic that caused the delay in the appearance of the second Roadster. In January of 2021, the billionaire announced that the release of the Tesla Roadster 2 was postponed until 2022. During his interview with Joe Rogan, Elon touched on a hot topic and shared some details regarding the development of an electric supercar. For example, Musk confirmed that the idea of a car floating above the ground has not gone away, and now engineers are working to implement this idea. According to the chairman of the company, the Roadster 2 should be able to hover over the surface at a distance of 1 meter and not kill people. Elon Musk's businessman has a clear system of priorities. In recent years, the main forces have been directed to the implementation of the previously listed tasks. This includes establishing the production of Model 3 and Model Y, launching the semi-trucks and the Cybertruck pickup into the series, as well as the release of new batteries. This will establish Tesla's position in the world market. In this system of priorities, the Roadster 2 occupies a special place, the cherry on the cake, or dessert, as Elon Musk himself put it. The delay in the development and launch of the electric supercar into the series was caused by several factors. Difficulties in supplying popular models, the Troika and the recently released Y caused a chain reaction, delaying the release of the truck and the pickup. Since the Tesla Roadster 2 charged electric car is at the top of the company's lineup and is a rather fashionable product, the implementation of this project is possible only after the situation in other areas has stabilized. In other words, the second-generation Roadster will come after all the other models. Moreover, Musk said that the global pandemic did not affect the work on the charged car. The new batteries played an important role in this delay. The range of 620 miles can only be provided by the updated 4680 energy cells, which will significantly reformat the battery's structure. Right now, Tesla's management is entering into contracts with large suppliers of raw materials and buying lithium deposits, all while testing production lines to assemble 4680 cells. The first batteries with improved performance will be installed on the Tesla Model S Plaid, which is expected to be released in late 2021. Consequently, the second-generation Roadster will wait for new energy cells and battery structural units to be tested before entering the electric vehicle market. Ultimately, we have several factors that provoked the delay in the serial launch of the Tesla Roadster 2. The work on top priority products in tandem with Elon Musk's traditional time shifts led to the fact that the American company's supercar will not be seen until 2022. In this case, the terms can be shifted even further. However, none of these aspects can bury the Roadster 2. Musk has repeatedly proven his ability to keep his word and said that everyone who is waiting for the release of an electric supercar will be satisfied. There is no need to doubt this. What do you think? Will the Tesla Roadster 2 hit the market in 2022? Or will the launch into the series be postponed again? Share your opinion in the comments below. Press the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.